always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand. It's hard.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today is brownie day. Yes, I'm going to be making a batch of homemade ketogenic coconut chocolate brownies. So if you're interested to see how I make them, given that it's another rainy, colder day, then please keep watching. Okay, so let's get started. What we're going to need is 110 grams of melted butter, 4 tablespoons of the stevia, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of the vanilla. We're going to need 50 grams of almond meal or flour. We're going to need 45 grams of cocoa powder unsweetened, and half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and also we're going to need around about 50 grams of desiccated shredded coconut unsweetened. So I've got now all the dry ingredients incorporated, and I'm going to now add the butter, get a good mix, the eggs, and now I'm going to keep mixing this. I greased a 20-inch cake pan with a removable base. I have greased it with coconut oil and also lined it with baking paper. Now the brownies are ready to go into the oven for half an hour at around 180 centigrade, at 180 degrees Celsius, fan forth, or around 200 Celsius if it's just a regular oven. So wait until I get them out of the oven. Okay, what I've got here as well is some heavy whipped cream and some 70% dark chocolate cacao, and I'm just going to make a ganache in order to let it cool, and then once the brownies have cooled down, then I can ice them as well. So as you can see, everybody, only one brownie left. They got absolutely devoured, so I guess I did okay. So on that note, if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed watching me make these delicious, magnificent chocolate coconut ketogenic brownies, then please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and click the notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I've got to go now. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next videos. Only one left. I guess it's for me. Bye everybody. See you later.